Welcome aboard the midnight train. Tonight, let go of the day behind you. Leave your worries on the platform. You've got a private seat on a quiet journey, through rain, mist, and moonlight. Close your eyes, breathe deeply, and let the soft rhythm of the rails carry you far, far away. The station is dim, lit only by golden lamps that flicker in the mist. Raindrops tap gently on the windows of your cabin. Outside, the world is still. The train begins to move, slow at first, then steady. You feel the soft sway of the carriage, the quiet hum beneath your feet. You lean your head back, eyes heavy, heart calm. As the train rolls through the night, it passes ancient forests. Tall trees blur in the darkness, their leaves glistening with rain. You imagine woodland creatures curled up beneath ferns, fast asleep. Occasionally, you see a flicker of golden light, maybe a firefly, or the warm glow of a distant cottage tucked deep in the woods. The train crosses a long, silent bridge. Below, a silver river flows slowly under the moonlight. You hear the soft clatter of the rails echo across the water. It feels as if time has paused, the moment perfectly still, perfectly safe. You take a deep breath, in and out, and feel your body relax even deeper into rest. Now the train winds through quiet hills and distant mountains. Snow sparkles softly on the peaks. A hush has fallen over the land, like the whole world is asleep. The gentle sound of the rain, the rhythm of the wheels, they lull you closer and closer to dreaming. Soon, the train will reach its final stop. But for now, there's nothing you need to do. Nowhere to be. Just this peaceful journey, under the stars. Let the sound of the rain, the hum of the engine, and the warmth of your cozy cabin carry you gently into sleep. Good night.